If your Windows is stuck on welcome logo and for open too much take time, then how will you fix it? I will explain you in easy trick and you will get fastly open your system. Let's watch. Firstly, you have to start your system and you have to wait some time for open. You will see Windows 10 logo. Now you will get another interface in the system. It's taking too much time because some problem in the system. So how will we fix it? Let's watch. You have to press F9 and check system information. If any difficult system information, you will get red text. There is all okay and skip it, and after that restart. Restarting your system, and now you have to do something. I will tell you what to do. Now press your F12 button. Okay, F12, and you will see these types of interface. Enter setup. Click on the enter setup. After clicking, you have see more options in this system, and save and exit. Press the save and exit and exit. After pressing save and exit, you will see more information, and now press save and exit. Below exit without saving, click on the exit without saving. I am clicking. After that, okay. Now you can see easy mode, and now you will check your CPU fan is good, too good, not good. If your CPU is 1000 rpm, then your CPU fan is too slow. Now save and exit, and you have to do something. You have to blurring your system in the fan all overall CPU, and after that restart your system. Now you're repairing automatic your system. Now you can see another interface, and you will get firstly start your system, and now your system is almost ready. You have to do one thing more. I will tell you what to do. After open your system, one thing more you have to do. Now you can see your welcome logo is coming, and get fast start. Now refresh your system. 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, as you like. Now open your antivirus. Okay, open your antivirus like Quick Heal. Okay, I am opening Quick Heal. Quick Heal, open the Quick Heal, and after open, scan your system, overall scan file and much more. Overall, now you can see my Quick Heal app is opened, antivirus app, and click on the scan, quick scan. You have to wait till 100, just a 10 seconds only, 10-15 second. Now your system is ready to fast. Now you can one time restart as you like. If you want to not restart, then okay. Now your system is okay and fast. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.